papunta kami dito sa Naik Cavite. Nag-editor namin tayo sa bagong bahay namin dito sa Naik Cavite.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every
Grabe, lilipat na sa Idol Jeron dito. Sanahik na sa titira guys. Charge agad si Idol Jeron. Shout out mo yung ano mo. Shout out mo. Hi, sabi mo hi. Dito kami sa Pasinaya, Naik. Yes, ito yung dito na tayo sa bagong bahay ni Idol Jeron guys. Yan guys, so it's on mo. Yes. Ganda ng bahay ni Idol Jeron guys. May second floor na siya guys. Paakyat tayo sa second floor guys. Ayan guys, so ang laki. Grabe. Sa likod guys. Malay main road po siya.